So I'm here to tell you basically that during the lockdown, what we must do as a student and what are the facilities available which are provided by our government and our All India Council for Technical Education. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Professor Vinay Zokare. I belong to NB Navle Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur, and I'm working as an assistant professor over there currently in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. And I'm a passionate teacher. I teach creative thinking skills, critical thinking skills, and soft skills. I'm a trainer at the college level where I motivate the students to learn new skills and get ready for the placements. I'm also an enthusiast in artificial intelligence and machine learning, where I'm learning the basic skills currently on various websites like Coursera, Allison, and even Future Skills by NASCOM. Then I am at intermediate level in Python, R, and data science, where I have learned a few skills, and I have a certification from NPTEL in this course, Python for Data Science, with a silver certificate, and I am among the top 5%. This course was offered by IIT Madras during the period of August to September 2019. It was a 4-week course, and I am certified as a top 5% candidate with 83% earning a silver, elite silver. So you can see a silver certificate here. So this is my brief background. I have an experience of around 18 years where I have spent 6 years in the industry and 12 years in the academics. So basically, I would like to start with my presentation now. So the students need to be aware of what to do during this lockdown. As you all already know that AICT, that is All India Council for Technical Education, has a site called NEET AICT. So this is like neet.aict-india.org. So you can visit the site at any point of time. Now this site is for personalized learning, and this is from the industry. So remember that this is very good platform for all the students to practice for their placements especially. So if you visit the products, you can see various products here. Here you can log in with your accounts. You can register and then log in. And once you log in, you will be able to see the products. So here you can see home, NEET products. You can read about NEET here. So what is NEET and all. You can see the brief introduction about NEET. Go through this particularly. I suggest all the students to read this compulsorily because this is a very good initiative by AICT, that is All India Council for Technical Education. And these are the products where you can see various products, and you can see here. So you can go to any product and just start learning anything. So for example, today what I'm going to show you is Perfectis. So let us visit this Perfectis. So once you click on Perfectis, you will go to a new path, that is Career Path Navigator, and you will see training recommendation and intervention. So this is like they are offering the training to students for placements in various skills like aptitude, soft skill, or even the technical skills, the hard skills. It's for ₹0, which is free of cost. So you can click on buy now and you can say I agree and submit. So once you get into the website, you will be able to see your dashboard. So this is Perfectis, and you'll be able to see your name here. You can update your profile and you can go to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can see various things like they have posted various questions, right? want to practice more of these questions, you can go to the practice session and you can practice more questions. So if you go below, basically, you will be able to see a lot of things. So here you can see a lot of things posted by them, right? And once you go here, you will be able to take some tests also. Like there are some 35 plus to solve in core programming. You can see here, you can choose your streams here, programming, civil engineering, computer science, electrical, mechanical, or cognitive skills. Suppose you choose programming, you can see that you can take some 35 and more tests in this, right? So these are a few things that I would like to highlight. And then again, you can go to packages here, and in the packages you can see various packages. So packages is important. Job readiness package with placement assistance. So you can see here this package, and in this package you can see that there are tests in various subjects like verbal ability. There are sections like verbal ability, quantitative, reasoning, core programming, and so on, including your core skills like analog electronics, or maybe civil engineering, design and construction, communication system, building materials, basic electronics, AI, analog electronics, and so on. Even they offer some subjects in mechanical also, like heat and mass transfer, industrial engineering, machine design, manufacturing science, and so on. So there are many courses that you can see here. So if you are interested in placements, you can go to the bottom and see Capgemini company specific cognitive skill. You can say view, and you can start taking the test once you get into there. So take test. So positive marks 1, negative marks 0. You can click on take test. Then you can watch the video where there are some instructions which are being told to you. You can go through these instructions, or you can also click on expand button and read the instructions which are in written format. Read all the instructions carefully and click on I'm ready to start. So once you click on that, you will be getting something like this. So update the profile after that, and then after updating the profile, you will be able to take the test. Okay, so I'm ready to start. We'll open up a screen like this. So university roll number, you can put it here, like your PRN number. You can put the PRN number here, or keep this as it is. This is for sample, right? Then you can choose your gender, you can choose your phone number, date of birth, state. Like suppose I say, okay, phone number is, I put my phone number, then I enter the date of birth. So here, while entering the date of birth, be careful about the year and all. Choose correct years. So once you choose your year, see here, it is from 2001 to 20, right? And you can go back also. So I will put my birth date. So right. So I will say my birth date is like 1979, then September, then 28. Then select the state here, Maharashtra. College name, MBN Solapur. And select the passing year, that is 2001. College name, WC Sangli. And branch name, electronics. So I'll put electronics here and say update profile. So once I update my profile, I'll be able to take the test like this. So you can see that on the screen, the test is ready. So the first question appears here. Which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the word perseverant? So you can read a word here, which is perseverant. And you can see which of the words cannot be formed. Reverse, REVERSE, it can be formed. Reserve can be formed. Preserver, PRESERVER. This preserver cannot be formed because there are 3 R's here and there are only 2 R's here. Servant can be formed. CRVANT. So preserver is the correct answer. And you can say save and next. And then you can attempt the questions. What percentage rate of simple interest per annum did Ashok pay to Sudhir? So you can see the 2 questions and you can just answer, like in the question below, 2 statements are given. Decide whether the data, so see all, whether the data provided in the statement are sufficient to answer the question. So this is data sufficiency kind of thing. You have to check for data sufficiency and just click on the correct answer. I will finish the test because I don't want to take the test. I just wanted to show you that how the test looks like. And once you take the test, you can write your comments, quality of questions, time provided, relevant questions, overall feedback, and then you can press submit, and then you can watch your score also. Right. So this is how you can just go through the test and watch your score after this, after entering all these details. I will not be entering all these details. Just share this test with your friends, enter emails and enter the phone number and then press submit. You can give the feedback here. You can give various feedbacks and just write the comment, great practice test. Right. You can enter some emails, like I'm going to enter some email like this. And then enter the phone number. This is enter the phone number of your friends, right? Yeah. You can enter the phone number here, some phone number. And then press submit. Right. Then you can see how many questions were correct and how many were wrong and all those things. Right. So one question was correct. Out of 32, 31 missed because I did not attempt it later. This was just for demo. So I did not attempt it. So you can see this. You can take the test again after that. Take the test again. If you missed it for some reasons, you can take it again, right? So you can see key. So word formation was correct. That was the correct. So the first question that I answered was correct. It was regarding the word formation. And then you can see various analysis over here. Okay, fine. So this was all about perfect is. See here, you can go to packages. Again, click on job readiness. Right. CPN, industry specific upskilling. You can click on that also and look at something here, core engineering, entry level baseline test. You can click on this and you can take a test on core engineering. Like suppose I say take the test. You can read the instructions and say I am ready to start. Once you are ready to start, you will get the questions. Right. So drop down menus and list boxes controls can be associated with an object named. So this is some UI based question in computer science and engineering. So you can just check it here and you can just say, so data grades, suppose, let us say, and say, and then you can attempt these questions. For example, databases. Suppose I go to databases. So you can check the questions here and you can attempt various questions. I'll click on finish. I'll say yes. and I will give the feedback. Again, I will enter all the details and I will be able to see my score, right? So you can go to Prefectis again, back to Prefectis, and you can see the packages, you can see mentors. So there are various mentors here. You can read their brief biodata, and then you can go to the classrooms if there are any classrooms here. You can search for the classrooms, the Google Classrooms. You can go to e-learning, and in the e-learning section you can watch some videos here, right? So here it is very, very important that you can visit this e-learning section and watch a few videos which will be very beneficial for us. So these are some videos here, like Amazon placement pattern, Capgemini placement pattern. You can take the test or you can watch the video for that, right? And give the ratings. For example, suppose I want to see Microsoft placement pattern or Mindtree. So I will click on this and I will say watch, and then I'll say the placement pattern. So this is how it will look like. And you will be watching at the company's introduction in the beginning, like what is the company all about. So you will be looking at the introduction of the company, which is very essential for the preparation during the interviews. And then later on, you will be looking at many things for the company, who is the CEO and all. And you will see the selection process. Many companies will have the process as online test, technical interview, HR interview, and so on. So you can see and then you can see what type of questions are asked, like quantitative, logical, verbal, coding. How many total questions are asked, what is the time allotted, and what is the cutoff. So you can see all the information on this video, and you can be very comfortable for appearing during the interview. So this was all about this NEET site, and you can go to various products. Not necessary that you should only visit Perfectis, but you can go to NEET, that is neat.aict-india.org. So you can go to this site and you can see various products here. You can see various products. Okay, fine. So under these products, you can just go through various products. Like suppose I click on this product, I'll be able to see the details of the product. This 59,000, which is not free of cost. So you can decide based on what you prefer. And then you can go through these products. The product that I suggest is Perfectis. So you can like Control F, you can do a search on Perfectis. Yes. So you can get Perfectis here. And once you get it, Perfectis, PERFECTIC, you can visit that and start taking the tests. Okay. So this was all that I wanted to show you. And this is a very good initiative by NEET, which is National Educational Alliance for Technology and All India Council for Technical Education under the Ministry of Human Resource and Development. So all the students are suggested to take benefit of this site and upgrade your skills. Take the tests and know where you are, and just pass your interview or the company tests or the off-campus drives confidently after the lockdown. Definitely after the lockdown, there will be companies coming up with announcements in national qualifier tests and their drives. So be prepared for that. Thank you very much. Thank you to all the students. Lecture. And I would like to say that basically this is all about your preparation. Double your efforts and earn maximum certificates during this lockdown. Thank you.